Nairobi has changed, and so has real estate. Today, clients don't just walk in from billboards or referrals, they find you online from Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, sometimes from thousands of miles away. With more expats moving into Nairobi and more diaspora buyers investing back home, your brand shows up before you ever do. So today I'm taking you through a real week in the life of a realtor in Nairobi and how content creation has become one of our strongest tools for building trust, attracting clients, and selling off-plan projects like Galaxy One in Westlands.
Hi guys, good morning. Happy Monday. It's a new week, fresh goals, fresh targets. It's a new month, fresh targets. Let's smash some goals. Hi guys, good morning, happy Monday. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm in the office. It's Monday. We just had an activation on Saturday. So we have quite a number of contacts to do follow-up on. I have quite a number of guests who said they're coming to check out the project today, the model, and just to give them a run-through of the project. So as you can hear, there's quite some noise. The construction site is adjacent to the offices. So yeah, so far so good. I write my to-do list for the day. And the first thing I like to do is listen to a podcast. And nowadays I'm really listening to the Diary of a CEO. That's the one thing I've been watching, and it's really changed my mindset. It's made me resilient. It's made me dream bigger, become more ambitious, if I could say that. I don't fear going out of my comfort zone to do stuff that I would normally fear to do, like content with my colleagues and stuff. So right now I just came to check if I have any emails. I do have some, so I'm going to be responding to some, but not now because I know the cleaning lady is about to come in. So let me take you to the model and then we'll go take breakfast. Then we'll come back. For the project that we are currently selling, we have very few units remaining. This is 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. And this is Galaxy One, located in Westlands. The architectural design of this project is quite unique. It's not something I've seen so far in Nairobi, especially the 270-degree panoramic views that you can see with our 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units. 3.15 meters floor to ceiling height, which is quite long. You also don't find that in many apartment units. And the infinity pool on this other side, our amenities are quite the seller. So I have done a video for this, but I just like to come here and just look at the model, manifest, and tell myself I'm gonna sell even more units before we begin our next project, because we do have another project coming up soon. Let me show you the project. The progress of the project so far. Oh, I can see they're really coming up. Wow. Okay, let me show you. So yeah, can you hear me? I don't know. There's so much noise. You stand here and you watch them working and you learn a thing or two about construction, which is good. I'll take you to the site. Today, I don't know. we're also supposed to be creating content today, doing a run through for the project. So I'll be showing you that. Let me show you the progress. So yeah, those are the workers putting in the work early Monday morning. There's quite some noise. I can't wait to see this finished. Okay, I can't wait to see the model. So yeah, I think this is basement too. This is how your off-plan projects be looking like, y'all. Every day there's work being done. And I think the longest time is taken when they're doing the foundation. This particular stage takes the longest, but after it starts coming up, it comes up real quick. But look at the skyline. That is Kilimani. You can see Kilimani, Kileleshwa. I can see Siaya Park. I can see the Dubai looking building, which is Premier Bank. And then on this side you have Loresho, ABC. This way you're facing Wayaki Way. Yeah. Now let's go take breakfast. Hi guys, y'all. Supposed to be going that way, but the sun is this way. Happy Tuesday. Today's another day. My 8 to 5. Yesterday was a really interesting day. Let me see. Walking this way. Can y'all see anything? So, yesterday was an interesting day. Yesterday was a Monday. I sat on my desk, sent out some cold emails, cold calling and stuff to other agents, and I got some really good response and had some come over, and yeah, landed a really good client as well. So today is Tuesday. As you can see, I'm in full makeup. Yeah. Today we're filming. So today I'm filming. We're working with something that I can't say yet, but it's an exciting day. You guys even see me. So when I face this way, you can, yeah? So I think we'll just look at where Happy Tuesday. So let me show you.
So, working as a salesperson in real estate means that you are working with other agents in other companies or individual agents. And so that is what you were seeing there. And then today we were actually working on our podcast, the Lionstone podcast. And that is a secret project that I did not want to reveal. And so far, so good. We have done a number of videos and they're performing really well. Of course, the first time we had the jitters, but yeah, we're growing into content creation, because in this day and age, your business definitely needs your online presence. And so yeah, that is it for this day. Later on, I did go out for dinner just to, celebrate the wins of the day. And this was at Honza in Westgate Mall. We had a really great time, and it's good to celebrate yourself once in a while. So that is it for this vlog. If you love this kind of vlogs, please give this video a thumbs up, and do tell me what else you'd love for me to share.